Inflation, is it good? Is it bad? No. Inflation is good. Pero big inflation is bad. Ang gusto ng any country, guys, is dapat 2% lang tayo. This is good. Less than 2% is bad. So, ibig sabihin, nagbaba si Fed from 2%, that's a bad news. Ito ba isang style dyan? Remember, nung pandemic, we are close at 0.25%. Diba? Yan ang lowest. O, sabihin natin 1%. Diba? Ang ideal is 2%. Naglabas si Fed. Okay, bababa yung inflation to 0.90. This is a bad news. Kasi paurong papuntang 2%. Ang market is looking forward na mas malapit ka sa 2% is a good news pag sinabi mong inflation. Dapat papalapit ka sa 2%. So are we going there? Yes, we are going there. Closing to 2%. So within that expectation na nangyayari, expectation ni market, magpo-bull market na. Okay, people are gonna pour out their money, invest. Kasi bumababa na inflation sa US, dollar is weaker, lahat ng market yan, dahan-dahan na yan. And based on seasonality, gagastos ang tao. Pag gagastos ang tao, ano mangyayari? Yung mga stock sa market, kikita yan. Dollars gonna weaker kasi umiikot yung pera dyan. No? Gold is gonna go down. No? And a higher percentage. Crypto will go up. Yan yung mga ano natin dyan. So,